Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and we are in quadratic expressions. Okay. See, we have finished 2 classes and 10 questions we have closed. In this class, we will see from question number 11 to 15. Okay. Okay. See, question number 11. If one root of x square minus x minus k equal to 0 may be square of the other. That means 2 roots will be there. Why? Because it is a quadratic equation. Between 2 roots, one root is the square of other root. That you have to understand. Then what is k like is asking. Let us see. Why? Because see here options I did not write. Why? Because equation is there and k is square like that telling. Let us proceed. You see what I am writing? Quadratic equation. You see alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a means here what? Minus 1. Okay. That means see minus 1 minus of minus 1 only. Alpha plus beta is 1. Okay. Alpha into beta minus k. C by a. Okay. That is one thing. And also they have given square of the other roots. Square of the other root, one root. That means see, shall I take beta is equal to alpha square? Okay. If that is the case, you go back again here. Here, what I want to write, alpha plus alpha square is equal to 1. Alpha into alpha square is equal to minus k. Both are important for us. You see, alpha plus alpha square is equal to minus 1, we let it be. But alpha into alpha square means alpha cube is equal to minus k. This is also important for us. Okay. Now you see, alpha cube is equal to minus k is appearing. K value is asking. K value means automatically alpha cube. If you find, that is the k value. K is equal to minus alpha cube. That's all. Okay. But how to find k value? Sorry, how to find alpha cube? See here one logic is there. You see, you cube this. See what I am writing? Alpha plus alpha square whole cube is equal to 1 cube. Cubing on both sides. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. 3ab square. Is it okay? Yes, definitely okay. But this side is 1 only. That's all. Okay, that side is 1. Okay, now you see alpha cube whole square also we can write. Why? Because alpha cube minus k we can now substitute afterwards. Let it be alpha cube plus alpha cube whole square. I will keep like this. Okay, let it be. Why? Because minus k I want to substitute. Okay, now you see here alpha cube I want to make. See, alpha to the power of 4 are there. What I am doing, you see 3 is common. Alpha cube I can take common. Yes, definitely I can take common. If I take alpha cube common, here alpha will be there. Okay. Here alpha to the power of 5. Alpha cube gone means alpha square will be there. That is equal to 1. Okay. See here all you are having. Alpha cube value you are having. Alpha plus alpha square value also you are having. Okay. Then you substitute. Alpha cube is equal to minus k. Minus k plus minus k whole square. Minus k whole square plus 3 alpha cube again minus k into alpha plus alpha square value is 1 into 1. This is equivalent to 1 RHS. Okay. Yeah. See minus 3k minus k minus 4k. Shall I write minus 4k? Minus k minus 3k minus 4k. See minus k whole square means k square only. Shall I bring this one this side? Yes. Minus 1 equal to 0. I will organize this. K square minus 4k minus 1 equal to 0. See now it is a quadratic equation. If you find the value of k, then that is your answer for your question. Okay. Let us proceed further then. See here 1 minus 1 is there. Minus 1 how you are going to get to minus 4? You are not going to get. That means see factorization method is not going to work. Then you go for discriminant method. Okay, you see what I am writing? k is equal to minus of minus plus 4 minus b plus r minus square root of b square, that means 16 minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 1 into c minus 1 means plus 1 you write, divided by 2a, 2 into 1, 2. Okay, yeah. Then to proceed further, then you see 16 plus 4 is 20. How can I take outside? 20 means 4 into 5. Okay, 4 you can take out. Okay, write down. K is equal to 4 plus or minus 2 I have taken, square root of 5 divided by 2. Is it okay? Definitely. Why? Because see this 2 square, 4 into 5, 20, inside 20. Okay? Okay. Now you see, what is the value then? You divide this with 2, that means 2 plus or minus this 1 is going to get this one. See, k value is 2 plus or minus root 5 is your answer for this question. Okay? Let us go for 12th question. Okay, see, question number 12, JE 2006 question. If the roots of x square minus 2mx plus x square minus 1 is equal to 0 lies between minus 2 and 4, then what is the value of m? What we can say? Limits is asking. Okay? Limits, domain or range, whatever it may be. Range normally. Okay. See, let us find this directly. See, factorization we cannot do. Why? Because here there is no proper real number. M square minus 1 is there. Ax square plus bx plus c. The c is not a perfect real number. M square form it is there. That is why we are unable to find that. What we do in discriminant form we are going to find. What we are going to find? We are going to find x value here. Why? Because x square, x is there. X value you are going to find. Based on x value only you are going to get the m value. Finally m value how to write. Okay? Okay. But hint they have given that root lies between minus 2 and 4. That means x lies between minus 2 and 4. Based on x value from minus 2 and 4, then you are going to get m value. That is the logic. Let us proceed further. That means you see x I am finding. X is equal to minus b means minus is here, minus of minus plus 2, but m also is there. Don't forget. Why? Because before x minus 2m is there. Minus of minus 2m plus 2m. Plus or minus square root of b square. B square means see minus is going to become positive 4m square. Minus 4ac. 4 a is 1, you need not write into 1. But c you have to write m square minus 1. But this you put in parenthesis. Okay? Or else it is going to become troublesome for us. Okay, divided by 2a. 2 into 1, 2a. Okay, that is equal to. You see here, 4m square minus 4m square going to get cancelled out. Minus of minus plus 1 plus 4 will be there. That's all. Plus 4. That means you see 2m plus or minus. Shall I write directly 2? Why? Because 4m square going to get cancelled out. Minus minus plus into 4. 4 under root. 4 under root means 2 will come. Divided by 2. Finally, this value is m plus or minus 1. Okay? See, x value is m plus or minus 1. See how I am finding this. X value they have given minus 2 between 4. See, observe carefully. How inequality I am writing. Why? Because the m value how to take m plus 1, sorry, x value how to take m plus 1 and m minus 1 both. Let m plus 1 I will take. You see what I am writing. X is equal to m plus 1 implies, see what I am writing. X is equal to m plus 1 means what? M plus 1 value should be minus 2 and 4. Why? Because see this is x. X value should be minus 2 and 4. Minus 2 and 4. Okay? Yeah. See, you want only m value. Okay? M value you require. M value require means here plus 1 is there. Then you subtract minus 1. That means you subtract 1, minus 1. Minus 1 if you apply here, here it is going to become minus m. But here minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. Minus 3 m, but here if you apply minus 3 then minus 1 then it is going to become 3. That means m value is between minus 3 and 3. Okay, this you keep aside. This you keep aside. Okay, m value is between minus 3 and 3. Okay, let it be. Now go for this one. M minus 1 also. See, minus 3 is only one option. Don't put this directly. Why? Because we have not seen m minus 1 also. M minus 1 also we have to see. That is the logic in this question. Okay, see, next time I am taking x is equal to m minus 1. M minus 1. This implies, you see, m minus 1 value is say minus 2 and 4. Minus 2 and 4. See, earlier we have subtracted 1, but here you have to add 1. Plus 1 if you make, automatically this is going to become m. If you add 1, this is going to become minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 m. Here you are adding means 5. Okay? Now wait. This answer also they have given, you see. But you see, you have to take combination in between this. What value you are going to take? Normally you tell me. Why? Because see, you are having such values, automatically in between values you have to take. You see, I am writing this real number line. Okay, real number line, this is 0. And least is here minus 3. And in between minus 1 is also there. And 3 is also there. And 5 is also there. Okay, see, all has to satisfy means you have to take only this. Minus 1 to 3. That means see, m value is between minus 1 and 3. Why? Because see, less than minus 1, minus 3, this may be satisfied, but here it is not going to satisfy. That is why minus 1 you have to take. Upper limit also, more than 3, up to 5, this value is okay, but here more than 3 is not going to happen. Okay, that is why you have to take minus 1 and 3. Where is this answer? Minus 1, 3. This will be your answer. Okay? Okay. Let us go for 13th question. See, question number 13. If both the roots of the equation, this is the equation. See, this is little bit complex equation. You see, x square minus 4ax. Okay, but this is entire, this one is c. 1 minus 3a plus 4a square is completely c. ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Exceed 1. Roots of, both roots of equation exceed 1 means see, there is no negative roots. That you have to keep in our mind. Okay, that you keep in our mind. Then a lies in the interval. The a value is asking. 4 options they have given. Let us see how to find this answer and all. Okay, see, directly you substitute x value in discriminant method. X is equal to, you see, x is equal to minus b. Minus b means minus already is there. 4a shall I take? 4a plus or minus square root of b square. B square means 16a square. Okay, minus 4ab. 4 into a is 1 only. Okay, I need not write. B, you write all this. 4ac, sorry, c. 1 minus 3a plus 4a square. Okay, by 2a. A is 1a. Okay, 2a. Okay, now proceed. See here, minus 4 plus 12a minus 16a square. Minus 16a square plus 16a square going to get cancelled out. Okay, outside 4 is there, but minus is there. Minus 16a square plus 16a square. Now you see 3a minus 4. Is it okay? 3a minus 4. See, this is minus 4. Minus 4, but you see plus 12a, not 3a, 12a. 12a minus 4, write down. That means you see 4a plus or minus 12a minus 4 under root divided by 2. Okay? Little bit modification you have to do this. So you see, you take 4 common. 4 common and take outside. It is going to become 2. That is equal to 4a plus or minus 2. I have taken outside. And see, 4 if you take common, this will be 3a minus 1 divided by 2. See this 2 you square 4. 4 into 3 12a. 4 into 1 minus 4. 12a minus 4. Okay, yeah. Now you cancel out. You see 2 can cancel out. See 2a will come here. Okay. Plus or minus 2 going to get cancelled out. Only root 3a minus 1 will be there. Okay. Okay. You see here what happened here. Both roots 2a plus root 3a minus 1, 2a minus root 3a minus 1, both are exceeds 1 means greater than 1. That means this is greater than 1 like you write. Okay. Okay. Now you set this side and this you set that side. You see what I am writing. 2a, if it goes this side minus 1, but this side greater than only, but this plus or minus or plus it is going to become, you keep like this only. 3a minus 1 but under root. Is it okay? Yeah. Now you see, I want to what we can say, remove the plus or minus. What to be done? Simply square it both sides. Squaring on both sides. You see what I am writing? 2a minus 1 whole square is greater than 3a minus 1. That's all. Why? Because see, plus or minus will not be there. Already I have squared. While squaring, your square root is going to disappear, but minus is also going to become plus. Okay. Now you square this. 4a square plus 1 minus 4a will be greater than 3a minus 1. You set all at one side. 4a square minus 3a minus 7a plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. I think we can cancel out this. Okay. No. Here plus 1 is there. Minus 1 if it comes here again another plus 1. That means it is going to become 2. Sorry. Minus 1 if it comes here my plus 1. Plus 1 means plus 2. This should be greater than 0. Why? Because see this side everything we have taken this side means that side will be 0. See 4a square minus 7a plus 2 should be greater than 0. Now you solve this, then you are going to get the a value. A value lies between like that. That is simple. Simple means you have to do little bit carefully. You have to do this. Okay. See 4 into 2 8 minus 7. How is it going to come? Why? Because 4 into 2 is 8. You take some factors. See 4 into 2 8. See minus 8 into plus 1. No. You are not going to get it. Okay. That is why better we do this discriminant method. You see, yes, a value you want. A is equal to. See, temporarily I am writing a, but you see always they have given that these values are greater than 1 line. That is why you should keep in your mind. A is equal to minus b. Minus means what are there? Minus b 7. Plus or minus square root of b square 49 minus 4ac. 4 into here a is there 4 into c. C is 2. Divided by 2a. Here 2a means what? 2 into 4. Okay, that is equal to. You see 16 into 2 32. 42 minus 32. 49 minus 32. 4. 8 into 4 32. Okay. See 7 1 17 root 17. See 7 plus or minus root 17 by 8. Okay. 7 plus or minus root 17 by 8. See a value, two values are there. 7 plus or minus and this thing. Okay. Now you tell me, if I take 7 minus root 7 by 8, this a value, is it going to satisfy here? It is not going to satisfy. Why? Because minus if you take automatically, this is not going to satisfy. This value should be greater than 1. Okay. That is why what you have to say, you have to write like this, you see. 7 plus root 17 by 8. This is positive. Then automatically upper limit will be infinity, plus infinity. Okay. This one answer. That means see a implies A belongs to, you see, 7 plus root 17 by 8 to up to infinity will be there. Okay, open interval. 7 plus root 17 by 8 up to infinity. That means see, B will be answer for this question. Okay, let us go for 14th question. Okay, see question number 14, Eamcet 2009 question. Let f of x is equal to x square plus x plus b, where a b belongs to R. If f of x is equal to 0, has all its roots imaginary. See, f of x is equal to 0 if you make roots for this quadratic means 2 roots. Roots are imaginary. Imaginary means what? Discriminant is less than 0. That we can say. Okay, why? Because square root will not come, minus will come. Okay. Then the roots of f of x, f dash x, f double dash x addition equal to 0 are. Whether real, distributed or imaginary or equal, something we have to see. Okay. Let us first find the roots of this one. You see discriminant method. First you find what is the discriminant here. See, we will see only discriminant. Why? Because see, imaginary like that telling me discriminant only you take for first one. Okay. See what I am doing. Discriminant here. F of x is equal to 0 implies x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0 implies discriminant delta or d is equal to b square. B square means what here? We need not go minus b plus or minus square root of b square for receiving all. We are seeing only discriminant. Why? Because imaginary like that telling. Okay? B square. B square means a square minus 4 AC. A is 1 here, but C is B. Okay? A square minus 4B. This should be less than 1, less than 0. Then only these are imaginary. That means A square means less than 0. A square minus 4B is less than 0. Okay? This is not 46. Say 4B. A square minus 4B is that one. Okay? Now, go for this one. This equation also you have to see. For this equation also we will see discriminants. Then we can see this equation whether these roots are C. For finding the roots you see only discriminant. Here they are not asking the roots. What type of roots they are asking? Okay? Exact roots they are not asking. Okay. Let us go for f of x, f dash x. You see what I am writing. F of x plus f dash x plus f double dash x equal to 0 implies, you see, f of x is this one only. X square plus ax plus b plus f dash x 2x plus a. Okay, b is constant. F double dash x you do again this for this 2 is equal to 0. Okay, see here first you segregate this. Why? Because see, once again I am writing this is equation x square. Okay, but x 2 areas are there. X if you take common, or else you do one thing, 2a or 2 plus a. I will take x only common. X if I take common, 2 plus a will be there. Okay, 2x plus a, 2x plus ax. Okay. Now see remaining all b a 2, c plus 2 plus b plus a is equal to 0. This is the equation. For this also you have to find discriminant only. Why? Because discriminant if you find automatically you are going to know whether this is what we can say imaginary roots, real roots or equal roots or something like. Okay, see discriminant is equal to b square. B square means here is 2 plus a. 2 plus a whole square minus 4ac. 4 a is 1 you did not write, but c is bigger. Write down 2 plus b plus a. That is equal to. See here you should not write whether it is equal to or 0 or something like. Let us write. You see what I am doing. Expand this a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, 2 into 2 into a minus 8 minus 4b minus 4a. Okay. Now wait. A square is at only 1. Okay, write down a square. But a, see, plus 4a minus 4a. First you cancel these two. Okay, plus 4a minus 4a. Minus 4b. Write down minus 4b. That means a is not there. This is 0. minus 4 plus 8. Minus 8 plus 4. Minus 4. Okay, now wait. See how we are going to know whether delta is less than 0 or greater than 0. Why? Because we don't know the value of a and b. How we are going to know? One hint is there. You see, a square minus 4b is already less than 0. Okay. See, only these two numbers we don't know value a and b. But here value minus 4 is value we know very well less than 0. That means less than 0 implies less than 0. A square minus 4b also less than 0 and minus 4 is also less than 0. Both are less than 0. Addition of two less than zeros gives less than 0 only. Okay? If less than 0 means roots are imaginary. Understand? Okay? Let us go for 15th question. See question number 15. The roots of b minus cx square plus c minus ax plus a minus b equal to 0 are equal. See, this is quadratic equation. These roots are equal like this telling. Alpha equal to beta. Okay. Then a, b, c are in whether arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression, or arithmeto-geometric progression is asking. You see, a, b, c values here only. Okay. See, I want to write something. You see, say ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation when or if a plus b plus c equal to 0. If that occurs, then one root will be 1. Root will be 1. Okay? That means one answer will be 1. Okay. You see, here two equal roots are there. Means see, what we do? We will add a plus b plus c. Here this is b minus c is a. Ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, I am adding all. See what I am doing. A plus b plus c means see what I am doing. B minus c plus c minus a plus a minus b equal to. Okay, plus b minus b. Minus c plus c. Minus a plus a. That is equal to 0. That means see alpha is equal to 1. Root. Why? Because see a plus b plus c equal to 0 has come. Alpha equal to 1 means beta is also equal to 1. Beta is also equal to 1. Why? Because equal roots they are mentioning. Equal roots. Okay. Then don't take alpha plus beta, but you take alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a implies 1 into 1 is equal to, what is c here? C is a minus b. A minus b by a. A is what? B minus c. Okay. Okay. Now see this side one. That means a minus b is equal to b minus c. Okay. Then you send c this side and b that side. That means see a plus c equal to b plus b. Or else a plus c equal to 2b, b equal to a plus c by 2. What is this? Clearly this is arithmetic progression. If b equal to a plus c by 2 comes means arithmetic progression, that's all. Okay. See, we have finished up to question number 15. We will stop this class. We will continue in the next class. Okay. Thank you very much.